Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about if and else. So let's create a file, new file, and I will say condition.c. If it's kind of condition, I mean if it is true, then we will actually enter a block, otherwise we will do something else. Okay, so if else, these are conditions. So here let's say I want to at first include the header file stdio dot h, and I'm going to say int main return 0. Let's remove it. All right, and here I'm going to say, let's say integer is, let's say 1. Okay, so I'm going to check that if is smaller than 1. So I will say that printf you are a newborn if age is greater than, let's say 12. Actually I'm going to say here 18. Let's say I'll say printf you are adult. I'm going to say here 18. Let's say, okay, 18, let's say 19. Okay, now I'm going to say here 19, and here you can see you are an adult. And if I say here, let's say 0, if I execute it, now you can see you are a newborn. And let's say you have multiple conditions, so you can use if multiple times, and at last you can use else. Okay, now in the else I'm going to say that printf, here I'm going to say you haven't been born yet. Now let's execute it, and you can see you are a newborn and you haven't been born yet. Why? Because the age is 0. Now let's give it -1, and here you can see you haven't born yet. So actually I'm going to clear the output at first, and now if I execute it, now you can see it will check if age is equal to 0. It's not correct, right? So it will not enter in this block. Go to the next statement, and if it is checked that the age is greater than 18 or not, so age is -1, so it's not true, so it will not enter here, and then it will go to the else and it will print it. So here you can see the result, you haven't been born yet. All right, let's say the 60, so you are adult. So actually for the 60 we can actually do something else. So this is how actually if else work. I hope you understand. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.